Alright, so we're back. And we are looking at Nasdaq. Nasdaq had hit our target. Our long-term target was 15,133. I think the target had been there since trying to think. I had two. It's 15.4 and it was 15.1. But I'll talk about this one. 15,133, because it was like way down, like a year and a half ago. Let's see what it was a year and a half ago. A year and a half. Year and a half. You're talking. Whoops! Oh man, I didn't mean to do that. It was like, I can't remember when I was doing. They're saying to buy it. Don't buy it. Okay. It's down here. No, it was over here. I'm sorry. It had went up here, and then May 2022. It was somewhere around there. Yeah, it was like around this time when I started talking about it was going to top at 15.4. What did it ended up topping? It topped at 15.8. Okay. So it went there. In here, right here, this is the bottom. 4,184, which I've been saying this so much. Right now, we are headed for a crash. We're gonna see all these levels hit. These target 13, 11, 10 is gonna get hit, and you're gonna see it head down here. I'm not saying like, oh, it's just gonna fall off a cliff. No. It's going to be more like, let's see, should be something like this, a weekly chart. Oh, it's showing me a target right here on the weekly chart. Okay, well, maybe I should go back to the monthly chart and just show you. Because I put this up talking about this on TradingView, and they're supposed to put the video also on YouTube, and it didn't do it. So now I'm going to make a separate video for YouTube. Yeah, so I had researched all these dates in detail, and I didn't see a target. I found one right here, so I marked it. Nobody believed me. But now as time goes on, people, begin to think, oh, this is a possibility. People to kind of say it, then eventually it just rolls into it's happening. I'm trying to think. I would say probably. Where do I get? So we're talking something like here, here, not to be too detailed, here, and then up to here, and then here, right? Something like this. See if I can I can't do the shapes anymore because I hit something like this. So where does this put us? Oh my gosh, it's 20, 30. That's too sharp. I mean, that's not. I mean, not too sharp. It's too far out. It should be something like this. Something like this. 2032, and then it should. I mean, I'm not gonna project further than that. I mean, there's no point. You know. But yeah, it'll head back up to this number, 51, in the future, probably 2040. So, but this is what you're seeing. This is what we're seeing. But whether this happens, like let's say 2028, 2040, or whatever, this has to hit. This must get closed, no matter what that needs to happen. Whether it needs to be news or whether it needs to be, you know, I don't know, nuclear war, anything, whatever it takes to get to that 4184. It's already been determined by the past, so it has to close. Whatever needs to happen to get there, that's what's going to happen. Okay. And that's how these. This how my particular pattern works. This is why I say it, Nostradamus of Forex, Nostradamus of, you know what I mean, prognosticator of Wall Street. But anyway, what's the other thing? So Charles Schwab is doing some damage control. I mean, they're breaking down. So I mean, it's hard to believe, man. I remember when I walked into Charles Schwab for an interview when I was a broker. Man, oh my God, this stuff is just hard to believe, man. But it is what it is. Okay. This is the reality. I had covered DXY, and let's see what that one was. I did a prediction on DXY. There's my line. Oh, it's right there. Oh man! Oh my God! It's right there. Look, we had the video up. See, oh, this is Facebook was not Facebook. YouTube wasn't uploading my videos, so I would have had this up here for you guys. That's why you gotta go to TradingView or whatever. You know, join the group. I mean, you know, I'm on Telegram. Join the group. KOFXS group. All right, just join the group. Anyway, you can do all this stuff yourself. You know, get the book. Do all this stuff yourself. I don't know how long I'm gonna keep selling the book. I was about to shut it down. I really was, and then 3 more people came in asking about it. So I was like, all right. But anyway, we were here. It was Sunday night or Sunday afternoon, whatever. Sunday night, I mean. And then I did the video, and then it was like 1 or 2 in the morning, and then we predicted. We went out. We said, okay, it's going to come up here. It's going to come down here. It's going to bounce off here. It's going to come in. It didn't do the bounce. It was up here, and then met my line again. I thought it would go like up, hit this, and then like pull back for the bounce, for like a bounce. It didn't even do that. It just went, okay, I'm going this way. Didn't go below this point right here. I didn't see on the 4-hour that there was a there was a neckline. But anyway, if I had seen that, I would have put the bounce. I would have had the bounce. I'm not going to move it to not touch it, but I would have put it up here on this dotted line. But all right, I mean, this is accurate enough. Look, it's touching the line at exactly the time that I told you that it's going to touch the line of 104. Okay, so let's back that up. Let's go back here. But I'm giving you, okay, I'm giving you guys a glimpse of the future. You know, when I give you these, like, when I take the time out to go over this and, like, show you my predictions for price action and so on and so forth. This is a little more, hold on, should be a little more. Okay, so so when I show you these things, okay, you're gonna have to, gotta realize that the odds are this guy's gonna be right because he keeps being right. So when I told you about the Bitcoin crash, I told you where this is gonna top at. I told you that. Okay, at what point are you gonna listen? Take advantage so that you can be better off, be protected. You know, I mean, this is just me saying predictions. Okay, this is not me saying that, you know, you're gonna make any money or promise to whatever. You know, I'm just saying that the odds are, okay. We're talking about odds. We're not talking about, I'm telling you this is guaranteed. No, odds are. I mean, I'm right the last time, right the time before that, and the time before that on Bitcoin. So, okay, obviously I know what I'm talking about. You know, I was placing trades back in 2000, like going up to a window with a ticker. I mean, with a little ticket, you know. Kind of gives you an idea of how old I am. So anyway, all right. So that's that. Is there anything else? Oh, so we placed our trades in Thursday. It's best to just trade Thursday nights. You have better odds. It's much better odds for me. I mean, is there a Thursday where I didn't make money? So any other days, it's like it goes back and forth, make a little something, yeah. But Thursday is the real. That's the real deal. Thursday night, Friday morning, that's the real deal. You know, that Friday, that Asia Friday, that London Friday, best time to trade. Okay. So anyway, see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Are you a trader? Then you'll love Connect One Forex Signals, a leading signal service dedicated to providing the best trading entries and exits for traders. We have the highest reward to risk ratio in the industry, and our pips gain is as high as 1,200 pips in one trade. You don't need to do anything, just set it and forget it. We'll do all the heavy lifting. We also teach how to trade successfully using what we call the RSAI Blueprint strategy. Our strategy is based on harmonics, but we also use them in other ways besides just buying and selling to target. Receive signals, learn new techniques and innovative trading systems to bring you to a new level of training and profitability with Connect One Forex Signals. Sign up for a free trial at connect-1-forex-signals.multiscreensite.com or join our Telegram group at t.me/KOFXS group for group chat.